Clarity Check markets itself as a background check service, promising access to criminal records, address history, employment and education verification, and more. The idea is appealing. You enter someone's name and sometimes location, and the site complies public records, registry data, and searchable archives to deliver a report. In practice, whether you get useful data depends heavily on how thorough the public records are in that person's region. In many cases, Clarity Check can turn up basic address history, aliases, or criminal record summaries if those are publicly indexed, but it often fails to deliver deep or comprehensive insight, especially in places where privacy laws limit public access. The site's pricing model typically revolves around pay per report or subscription tiers. Some users might find the cost reasonable for occasional use. Others may feel it overpriced, especially when the reports are incomplete or superficial. Hidden fees, unclear terms, or refund policies are common complaints for services in this niche, and users should read the fine print carefully before purchasing. One red flag, though, is that Clarity Check may not always verify the accuracy of recency of its data because much of its sourcing is automated and pulled from public aggregates. Outdated or incorrect records could slip through. This means relying on a report as definite evidence is risky if something important hinges on the date. So this can be employment, legal decisions, safety concerns. It's safer to corroborate via official sources or manual checks. Also, legitimacy in this space often rests on how transparent the company is about its sources, privacy practices, and also legal compliance. Now, if Clarity Check doesn't clearly state which databases it uses, how often they update, or how they ensure accuracy, the lack of transparency is really concerning. But Clarity Check isn't obviously a total scam. It does produce background reports and has functional service model, but it isn't a gold standard either. Use with caution. Treat its outputs as indicative rather than conclusive, and always verify critical data from primary or official sources before making decisions based on it.